क्लास में मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन साथ साथ। Mohit, be a little louder. मोहित।
यस मैम।
यस बेटा, हमने कहाँ तक किया था लास्ट क्लास में एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में?
मैम
आई थिंक मिसिंग वाला कर लिया था।
नो मैम,
नहीं किया था मिसिंग वाला?
ये मैम इसलिए कर लिया था, टॉयलेट वाला कर लिया था मैम।
टॉयलेट
वाला कर लिया था, ये भी कर लिया था, एकोमोडेशन वांटेड।
एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन भी कर लिया था हमने।
यस मैम।
मिसिंग पर्सन और पेट कर रहे थे हम शायद, है ना?
यस मैम, वी आर रीडिंग दिस।
Boys, I'll be sending this PDF again to you very soon. जब हम टॉपिक डिस्कस कर लेंगे उसके बाद में तुम लोगों को PDF भेजूंगी, वीडियो भी मिल जाएगी आप लोगों को। बट बिफोर दैट, अब लेट अस टॉक अबाउट दी हर एक काइंड की जो क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट है। यस बच्चा। बेटा अब लिटरेचर इसके बाद दोबारा लिटरेचर ही करेंगे। थोड़ा सा ग्रामर इसलिए किया कि आप लोगों का जो PA1 या जो भी फर्स्ट एग्जाम होगा ना, उसमें ये टॉपिक्स जनरली आते ही आते हैं, तो हम इसको बाइंड अप करके अब फिर लिटरेचर पे चलेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, तो what we are talking about कि all kind of classified advertisements are having all those essential details. One or the other thing is different, right? Some or the other specification is required which is different. So classified नाम भी वहां से आया कि हम different कैटेगराइज करते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट को, इसलिए इनको क्लासिफाइड कहते हैं, ठीक है? इसलिए इनका नाम क्लासिफाइड होता है। सिचुएशन वेकेंट अलग होता है और सारी सिचुएशन वेकेंट की एडवर्टाइजमेंट आपको एक ही कैटेगरी में मिलेंगी। मैट्रिमोनियल, सारे मैट्रिमोनियल की एक ही कैटेगरी में। वर्क फ्रॉम होम एक साथ मिलेंगे। मिसिंग पेट और मिसिंग एनिमल, मिसिंग पर्सन, मिसिंग के टाइटल से एक साथ मिलेंगे सारे एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, राइट? सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट काइंड ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट। Okay, now missing person or pet animals. I think Mohit, you had read, others can also read silently the essential details which are common whether we are writing about a person or pet, right? We have to begin with missing. We have to give the brief physical description, name, age, identifying features, birthmark or any such mark which is visible, since when or from where the person or the animal is missing, the reward offered, and the most important thing, contact address and phone number, right? So let us see. I think we had done this. No, we had not done this. We have not read this. Chiransh, better read question number 1 and question number 2 for this particular category.
Okay, ma'am. Question number 1. Your younger brother, Srish Mathur, age 15, 145 centimeter tall, fair colored with a scar on left forehead, and dressed in blue jeans and white shirt, has been missing for a week. Draft a suitable advertisement for the missing person column of a newspaper in about 50 words. Missing persons. Missing since 6 July, Sirish, a young boy of 15, height 145 centimeters, fair complexion, blue eyes, short hairs, and a scar on left forehead. He was in blue jeans, white shirt, black shoes. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Inform SHO Dehradun. Phone 241-0000.
Yes.
Question number 2. You are PK Sehgal of 57, Rajendra Park, New Delhi. Your pet dog Scrappy is missing. Write an advertisement for the missing pet animals columns of a newspaper. Missing pet. Missing a dark brown male Labrador, 20 height since last Friday. Scabby is 2 years old, has white strips. He has a hole on his left ear and a strap of black leather round his neck. Informal will be suitably rewarded. Contact PK Sehgal, 57 Rajendra Park, New Delhi. Phone 25246789.
बेटा ये PK बंसल था, PK सहगल तो आपके चेयरमैन है।
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Chalo. So see, all those 5-6 things are again answered. What, when, where, what was the appearance, when the dog or when the person was missing, where he was missing from, whom to contact, right? And the appearance as well. This last part also, Chiransh, please read question number 3.
Okay, ma'am. Question number 3. Your nephew, a kid of 5, has got lost. Giving full details of the missing kid, draft an advertisement for a newspaper. Missing kid. Missing since Monday afternoon. My nephew Shubham, aged 5, 86 centimeter, whitish complexion, curly hairs, birthmark yellow right ear. Wearing white shirt, grey trouser, and brown shoes. Anyone giving the
Whereabouts.
whereabouts will be suitably rewarded. Contact Priyanka 427 Greater Kailash, second phone number.
Yes. So missing kid, missing pet, missing person. It can be anything, or you can simply write missing also. But missing के साथ individual का नाम या individual की category enter करने से it is more convenient for the people to identify who are you looking for. Right now, next is lost and found. Lost and found, we had already done this category in notices also. Notices, when we are talking about lost and found, we were mentioning all those 5 questions. What was the thing lost? Where it was lost? Who means whom to contact? What was the appearance? Yes, Chiransh.
मैम जैसे हमें बोर्ड के पेपर में एडवर्टीजमेंट का अगर क्वेश्चन आए तो हमें एडवर्टीजमेंट को कलर वगैरह करना होता है.
नहीं, ये वाली एडवर्टाइजमेंट को कलर नहीं करना. दिस इज नॉट द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ये क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट है जो आप लोगों को जब न्यूज़पेपर में दिखती है तो आपने देखा होगा वो 3-4 लाइंस में जो इतने इतने कॉलम्स में एडवर्टाइजमेंट होती है, ये वो वाली एडवर्टाइजमेंट है. जो आप जिसकी बात कर रहे हो, जो आप हिंदी में करते थे 10th क्लास में, विज्ञापन याद है?
यस मैम.
जिसमें कलर्स करते थे, वो विज्ञापन, वो कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट होती है, वो भी अभी आएगी. हम कर रहे हैं अभी क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, जो क्लासिफाइड कॉलम के लिए दिया जाता है, जिसमें कॉलम वाइज, लाइन वाइज जितनी आप लाइंस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग चार्जेस होते हैं. जो क्लासिफाई वो कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट होते हैं उसमें बॉक्स का कितना साइज है उसके अकॉर्डिंग चार्जेस होते हैं. यहाँ चार्जेस होते हैं आपके लाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग, राइट? सो लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड ये सबसे इजी कैटेगरी है एडवर्टाइजमेंट की. क्यों? क्योंकि हम इस तरह के नोटिस भी करते हैं और वो सारी चीजें जो हम नोटिस में मेंशन करते हैं सेम वही चीजें हमें इस तरह की एडवर्टाइजमेंट में मेंशन करनी होती है. द टाइटल इज आल्सो सेम, लॉस्ट और फाउंड, राइट? ओके, नाउ हर्षित, रीड बेटा एसेंशियल डिटेल्स.
Being lost or found, specify the item, give brief physical description, mention when they are lost or found, reward if any, end with contact address and phone number.
Yes, solved example first and second.
Yes, ma'am. May I read?
Yes, read.
You are Prashant Purnima of 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. You lost your briefcase while traveling by bus from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Place, New Delhi. The briefcase contains some valuable documents, including your abroad certificate for MI India secondary school examination. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be published in the Indian Express under the columns lost and found. Include all necessary details about the lost briefcase to establish your claim.
Yes.
Lost and found.
Continue, Harshit.
I lost my brown VIP Classic brand briefcase with Prashant written near the handle while traveling by GTC bus route number 89 from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Place. It contains some valuable documents. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Contact Prashant 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi or phone 2790040.
Yes. Second question. अब देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमें सारी डिटेल्स दी हुई थी, काफी सारी, कि उसमें क्या कुछ था, क्या इंपॉर्टेंट था, ब्रीफ केस के बारे में काफी कुछ चीजें हमें दी हुई थी. सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो है इसमें हमें सारी डिटेल्स नहीं, तो वी हैव टू इन्वेंट द डिटेल्स. तो अगर हमारी कोई चीज ऐसी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है तो हम उसके बारे में क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं, वो हमें, जैसे हम नोटिस में सोच रहे थे वो 5 क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने की, सेम वैसे ही हमारे लैंग्वेज जो चीजें हैं, जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है वो यहाँ मेंशन करेंगे हम लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड, right? Yes, Harshit, read.
You have lost your purse. Draft an advertisement suitable to be given in the local daily. Invent details. Your advertisement should not exceed 50 words. Lost and found. Lost black leather purse in GTC bus route number 315 while traveling between Lucknow Road and Red Fort. Besides cash, it contains some important bills and receipts. Finder will be suitable rewarded. Please contact Anil Sood, B 67 Lucknow Road, New Delhi, or phone 27618-456.
Yes. So every time when we are talking about losing something or finding something, हमें सबसे पहले ये जरूर मेंशन करना है कि वो कहाँ कैसे खो गया, कहाँ कौन से रूट पे खो गया, हम कहाँ जा रहे थे, चाहे वो मेट्रो हुई, चाहे डीटीसी हुई, चाहे ट्रेन हुई, चाहे प्लेन, जो भी कुछ है, whatever is the
मैम
case.
क्वेश्चन 2 में इसमें डिटेल्स काफी है बस ब्रीफ केस के बारे में.
दिस इज लेदर
पर्स
पर्स
के
ना.
बारे में.
हाँ, पर्स के बारे में नहीं, आप इससे ज्यादा कुछ बता नहीं सकते पर्स के बारे में. क्यों? क्योंकि जो भी आपको कांटेक्ट करेगा वो आपसे पहले बाकी डिटेल्स पूछेगा ना. अगर आप सारी इसमें मेंशन कर दोगे तो जरूरी है कोई मींस ओरिजिनल आए. आप न्यूज़पेपर में दे रहे हो तो आपको बड़े कॉशियस होकर इंफॉर्मेशन लिखनी होती है कि उस इंफॉर्मेशन का कोई मिसयूज ना करे, right? That's why we are not giving so many details that somebody would be able to misuse it. We can add something more. We can add on the brand of the purse, that which brand it belonged to, or where it was lost, और उसके अंदर और क्या था जो identify easily हो पाए, right? That it was having a calendar of this and this year, whatever it was. We can mention one or two more things. It is not penalized, but we need to make it as short and crisp as possible, right? Abhi dekho, this is you have lost a library book issued in your name while returning home by a local bus, so you have to write an advertisement. Okay, so Harshit, continue reading beta. Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. You have lost library book issued in your name while returning home by local bus. Write an advertisement fit for the lost and found column of local daily, giving the particulars of the book, lost and found. Lost business mathematics written by T.N. Badi, issued from the school library. It bears the stamps of Ramja Senior Secondary School, number 1, Daryaganj, New Delhi. It was probably lost in CNG bus route number 47. Finder will be given a nice treat. Please contact Ashish Mehta, 2/37L, Raja Garden, New Delhi, 110032.
अब हमने बुक की सारी डिटेल दे दी. बुक पे कौन सी स्टैम्प होगी, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली लाइब्रेरी की बुक थी तो बुक पे स्टैम्प भी डेफिनेटली होगी. एंड वेयर इट वाज लॉस्ट, राइट? अब देखो, ट्रैवल्स एंड टूर्स
के लिए भी हम लिख सकते हैं, मतलब छोटी सी चीज के लिए भी लिख सकते हैं.
किसी भी चीज के लिए लिख सकते हो. जो चीज आप नेचुरली एक पब्लिक व्हीकल से जब आप कम्यूट कर रहे हो और आपको पब्लिक को इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा ना कि किसी को भी मिली है, तो आप उसको चैनलाइज. सी ऐसी कंडीशन में 3 तरह के हम राइटिंग्स लिख सकते हैं. एक होता है लेटर राइटिंग, जो हम डीटीसी कॉर्पोरेशन के ही स्टाफ को लिखें या फिर उनके जो डायरेक्टर हैं, जो हेड है, उनको लिखें कि मैं इस बस से जा रहा था तो मुझे मेरी ये चीज खो गई है. बट वहां कोई भी एक्शन नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है डीटीसी का सिस्टम क्या होता है कि जिसके हाथ में लग गई चीज वो उसकी होगी. अब इसके बाद दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या रह जाता है कि हम एक नोटिस लिखें. अब नोटिस किसके लिखेंगे, कैसे पहुंचाएंगे सब तक? तो उस नोटिस को शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प फॉर्म में अगर हम क्लासिफाइड में दे देंगे, इट विल बी इजियर फॉर द पीपल टू अटेंड इट एंड टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट, राइट? So it can be for anything, especially when you are traveling through a public transport and you lose something there, then it becomes a viable and easier source of communication. And the chances of retrieving or getting the thing back are better, though not 100%. Okay, now travels and tours. Akshat, are you there?
मैम हमने नोटिस लिख दिया और अभी
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं मिलती तो
Harshit, come again. I didn't listen to your question.
मैम हमने जो नोटिस लिखा है, अगर हमें वो चीज वापस नहीं मिल पाती है तो क्या करेंगे?
तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम तो सिर्फ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे रहे हैं या नोटिस लिख रहे हैं.
बस चोरी हो गई.
हाँ, वो मतलब वो चोरी हो गई, फिर आपको पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में जाके उसकी कंप्लेंट करनी पड़ेगी कि मैं इस जगह से ऐसे जा रहा था और मेरी बुक चोरी हो गई एंड पुलिस यू नो हाउ द सिस्टम वर्क्स, then they will try to find it accordingly if nobody
Okay.
responds, right? Okay, Akshat, are you
मतलब
there?
कुछ ज्यादा पता नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bacha. Travels and tours, essential details.
Begin with package available, etc. State name of travel agency. Specify destination and duration. Supply details of package, food, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, etc. Give estimated cost and special discounts. And with contact address and phone number.
Read the
Solid
solid.
examples. Question 1. Sita Travels 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi offers a package choose for 3 nights, 4 days in Mauritius for rupees Mauritius for rupees 10,000 per person. Draft an advertisement for publication in a national daily in about 50 words. Give necessary details. Travels and tours. Attractive package available for Mauritius. 3 nights, 4 days. Breakfast and dinner. Stay at 3-star hotel. Sightseeing included. Rupees 10,000 per person. Special discount for early birds. Contact Sita Travels. 227 Jagriti Enclave, Delhi. Phone 25362000.
Yes, Akshat, wait, beta. Now, boys, see through this very carefully that there are various abbreviations that we can use, acronyms that we can use. Attractive package available. देखो जरा chat box check करो पांचों. मैंने chat box में भेजा है. अब देखो 3 nights/4 days लिखा हुआ है. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं जो मैंने आपको chat box में 3N4D करके भेजा है. तो हमारा स्पेस और कम हो गया. राइट?
मैम है क्या?
बेटा ये जो लिखा है ना 3 nights 4 days,
हाँ.
ये 3 nights 4 days को आप 3 nights 4 days ऐसे एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में ना लिख के शॉर्ट फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हो. 3N4D, 3N/4D, right? Breakfast and dinner also you can shorten up BREK dot DIN dot. Stay at 3-star hotel. Sightseeing included. Rupees 10,000. अब देखो per person का भी मैंने abbreviation भेजा है आपको. Yes बेटा.
Ma'am, but we have to mention the abbreviations we have used later. Afterwards,
No.
we have to mention na
नहीं.
what abbreviations.
For advertisements we don't mention. The thing that you are asking, we generally mention it for note making.
Okay.
Using it for note making. कि हम कौन सी abbreviation यूज कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां जो हम abbreviation यूज करते हैं वो हम खुद जनरेट करते हैं. कई बार स्टार्स की फॉर्म में, बुलेट्स की फॉर्म में या डिफरेंट सिंबल्स की जो एब्रीविएशन है वो हम खुद बना रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हम वो एब्रीविएशन यूज कर रहे हैं जो जनरली यूज होती हैं. अब अगर आप 3N/4D लिखोगे तो मतलब वो ऑब्वियस है 3 nights 4 days. जब आप कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देखोगे ना न्यूज़पेपर में, दे राइट इट दैट वे ओनली. पर पर्सन की जगह वो P dot दे राइट इट दैट वे. और अगर आपको लगता है आपको रिस्क नहीं लेना तो फिर आप डिटेल में ऐसे ही लिखना, क्योंकि इट वेरीज फ्रॉम द चेकिंग ऑफ वन टीचर टू अनदर इन लैंग्वेज, राइट? Special discount for early birds. Early birds means as soon as the advertisement is published, those who are going to contact as early as possible. Contact Sita Travels, this and phone number. Now next one. Akshat beta read.
Globe Travels G76 Connaught Circus, New Delhi offers its patrons cheapest air tickets for any destination by an airline besides offering consultancy and exchange service. Draft an advertisement for publication in a national daily in about 50 words. Travels and tours. Cheapest air tickets ever for any airline, any destination. New York 35,500. San Francisco 35,000. Toronto 34,500. London 19,400. Visa Insurance Consultancy. Buy sell currencies. Visit Globe Travels. G76 Connaught Circus. New Delhi. Phone 2372 377 233 233
Yes, thank you, Akshat. So again, see, patrons means the customers, the one who are going to ask cheapest air ticket for any destination by airline of besides offering consultancy. Consultancy means any kind of help that you need in the further procedure for international offerings, right? And exchange service refers to currency exchange. अब नाउ बिजनेस प्रपोजल्स, अब ये वो वाली कैटेगरी है जो हमने याद है लेटर राइटिंग में जब किया था, टेंडर नोटिस जो मैंने समझाया था, अब ये वो वाली कैटेगरी, राइट? अब यहाँ पे टेंडर नोटिस भी अभी आएंगे. कार्तिक, कार्तिक बेटा रीड बिजनेस प्रपोजल्स. कार्तिक, आर यू देयर? नो. मोहित?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैं अभी सुना नहीं सकता.
Yes, ma'am.
कार्तिक, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. मोहित बेटा रीड.
Yes, ma'am. Business proposals. Essential details begin with wanted or available. State specialization, service offered, required. Quote special items, facilities, if any. End with contact address and phone number. Should you scroll down? Solved example. Write a suitable advertisement in a national daily for Novix India Corporation, a leading hosiery manufacturer concern offering wholesale dealership, agencies and retail outlets. Word limit 50. Business. Wanted distributors for Novix, brand hosieries, wholesale dealers, agency and retail outlets. Attractive items and business discount in addition to the traders commission. Interested parties may contact sales manager Novix India Corporation, Ludhiana, or phone number 24370124 24250024 25553324.
Next one.
Okay, ma'am. You are the director of Pawan Hans, a placement agency with excellent track record. You provide skilled as well as unskilled workers to business establishments, constructions companies and manufacturing houses. Draft an advertisement for a national daily offering your services to your prospective prospective clients. Placement services available for intermediate employment, skilled as well as unskilled workers, suitably for business establishments, construction companies and manufacturing houses. For consultancy and confirmation, contacts Pawan Hans, 221 Kirti Nagar, New Delhi. Telephone number 527688527018.
Yes. So notice all of you that एक तो हमने नाम कैसे start किया तो business or placement service. According to the service that it is provided, according to that the thing is informed. Then if you're looking for distributors, then the language, the condition, the situation will be given in the question. According to it, you need to frame. अब next, वो कैटेगरी जिसको सुन के हम सबके चेहरे पे एक पॉइंट पे ब्लश आ जाता है. पढ़ो. अब कौन पढ़ेगा? कार्तिक तो पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे. चिरांश रीड.
I'm 10th point, sir.
Yes.
10th matrimonials. Essential details begin with wanted, alliance or proposal invited. State, boy, girl. Educational, professional qualification. Service, profession, income. Age, height, complexion, build, caste, subcaste, religion. Qualities sought in partner. End with box number CO, the daily.
अब ये CO क्या है? Care of. CO means care of. मैंने बॉक्स कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था. चिरांश, you were not there. हर्षित भी क्लास में शायद उस टाइम नहीं थे जब मैंने बॉक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था. When we are contacting a newspaper agency, it is up to us when we are giving an advertisement whether we want the queries to be addressed by us personally by giving our own details, और वी वांटेड थ्रू द न्यूज़पेपर एजेंसी ओनली कि वहां का एड्रेस जाए, हमारी डिटेल्स किसी के पास भी ना जाए क्योंकि पब्लिक फोरम। तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन बैंक्स में एक लॉकर सिस्टम होता है, उस लॉकर की आपके पास होती है। यस, आप ही उसमें डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो, विड्रॉ कर सकते हो, जो भी आपको करना है। यस, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जैसे आपका जो बॉक्स है, आप एक बॉक्स परचेज कर लेते हो, उसका रेंटल होता है, और उस बॉक्स का आप यहाँ पे दे देते हो कि इस बॉक्स में आपको कांटेक्ट करना है। अब बॉक्स जब आपने यहाँ मेंशन कर दिया, तो अगर मुझे अप्लाई करना है या मैं उस एडवर्टीजमेंट को लेके इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, चाहे वो मैट्रिमोनियल हो गया, चाहे एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो गया, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द रिटर्न एप्लीकेशन इन दैट बॉक्स। जैसे मेल बॉक्स होता है ना, वैसे ये बॉक्स होता है, इसके अंदर वो एप्लीकेशन डाली जाती है। इसके बाद अ पर्सन फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर, जो एम्प्लॉयर की साइड से या जिसने एडवर्टाइजमेंट दी होती है उनकी साइड से कोई ना कोई जाता है, उनके पास उस मेल बॉक्स की होती है, वो सारे लेटर्स वहां से निकालते हैं और फिर उसके बाद उनसे कांटेक्ट किया जाता है। जनरली आपने देखा होगा, अगर आपने क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स पढ़ी हो, कई स्कूल्स अपना नाम नहीं देते, कई एम्प्लॉयर्स अपना नाम नहीं देते, वो सीधा बॉक्स नंबर मेंशन करते। सो दिस इज दैट क्राइटेरिया ऑफ बॉक्स नंबर। मैट्रिमोनियल में खास तौर से बॉय के पेरेंट्स हो या गर्ल के पेरेंट्स हो, दे डोंट वांट टू डिस्क्लोज वेयर दे बिलोंग टू, क्योंकि उनके अपने नेबरहुड में वो ये नहीं बताना चाहते कि हम लड़का या लड़की देख रहे हैं। ये बड़ा टैबू होता है, पता नहीं क्यों सोसाइटी में। तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे टेक अ बॉक्स नंबर स्पेशली, एंड ऑल द क्वेरीज, ऑल द थिंग्स विच आर एंटरटेन्ड आर थ्रू दैट बॉक्स। आई होप दैट कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर। यस चिरांश, बेटा कंटिन्यू रीडिंग।
A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, colored, and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. Bride wanted. Alliance invited for a very handsome, tall, and cultured IT professional, 29 years old, 180 centimeter tall, NRI, settled in London as CEO of a reputed firm, exceptionally beautiful, highly educated, and cultural girl between 21 and 25, and at least 5 feet 4 inch tall. Only status Punjabi families. Box 867B, The Times of India, New Delhi.
Now see, box is mentioned, box 867B, The Times of India, New Delhi. Right? Chiransh, read the next question. Chiransh, are you there? Achha, Chiransh has left. Chiransh, are you there now? Chiransh?
Should I read?
Mohit, read. Continue.
Solid examples.
Acha, Chiransh, you are there. Okay, Mohit, then Chiransh can read if Chiransh is there. Chiransh, read question number 2.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Question number 2. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for a Bisa Agarwal girl working as sales officer in a leading export house. Bridegroom wanted. Proposal invited for a Bisa Agarwal girl, 25 years, 158 centimeter, working as sales officer in a leading export house, income in 6 figure per annum, parents having business at Mumbai and overseas, boys merit main consideration, professional with business background preferred, early and decent marriage. Write to box number 7364, The Times of India, Mumbai.
Yes.
400001.
अब आप लोग सारे कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स हो, ये पर एनम को हम एब्रीवेटेड फॉर्म में लिखना चाहें तो कैसे लिखेंगे?
मैम P.A.
So that is a well-known acronym. So you can use that acronym or abbreviation here, right? तो ऐसे abbreviation आप use कर सकते हो, ठीक है? I hope this is clear that you need to talk about, पहले तो टाइटल में वही जाएगा, bride और bridegroom who is wanted. According to that, अब bridegroom चाहिए तो मतलब लड़की वाले जो हैं वो रिश्ता मतलब ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो they are going to talk about the girl and what kind of boy they are looking for. Firstly, the qualities of girl, and then what kind of boy they are expecting. Same manner, when you're looking for a bride, firstly the qualities of boys are explained, then they say what kind of girl they want, right? अब देखो, अब हमने जो है सारी kind of advertisements discuss कर ली हैं, all the kind of classified advertisements and their essential details that we need to mention. We have talked about all of them. And the only thing is, जब आप अपने लिए एक मैट्रिमोनियल के ऐड छोड़ के, क्योंकि वो मुझे लगता है हम उतना नहीं सोच पाते, लेकिन अभी भी हमारे दिमाग में कुछ कुछ इमेज होती है regarding the qualification. Otherwise, regarding every other classified category, whenever we'll think of the situation that we want this thing for ourselves, then what all things we'll mention, then all the essential details will automatically come into our mind and it will help us to frame a better answer, right? Now these are commercial advertisement. ये commercial advertisement आपने कहाँ देखी हैं? Please tell me, where do we generally see commercial advertisement around us?
Ma'am, Diwali Mela
Okay,
or
Diwali.
some, and ma'am, some like ma'am advertisement like Ghadi Sabun.
Yes, the visual advertisements that you see on the television. Yes, the advertisement that you see on television, when you open your mailbox, when you see on the internet, YouTube, whenever, they are all visual advertisements, right? Apart from that, you see these kind of commercial advertisements or display advertisement on banners, the pamphlets that generally come in the newspaper, they are all advertisements, right? स्पार की एड आती है, रिलायंस की एड आती है, कोई नया इंस्टीट्यूट खुलता है उसका पैम्फलेट आता है, दे आर ऑल अ वे ऑफ कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट. लाइक मोहित took the name, Diwali Mela, blood donation camp, all those things which are announced, they are all a kind of commercial advertisement or display advertisement. Why? Because not only they are displaying the product or they are talking about the product, the service, but also the purpose is business, to increase the sale of that particular product or service, right? Or to increase awareness, right? Okay. Now Akshat, Akshat, bacha read. Akshat, are you there? No, Akshat is not responding. Harshit,
Ma'am, which one?
Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, bacha. Would you be able to read?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yes, commercial advertisement or display advertisement.
Commercial advertisement or display advertisement. Commercial advertisement are inserted by leading manufacturer, establishment, organization, etc. for the publicity and promotion of the product, services, or some events. Main characteristics: designed for commercial purposes, more space, more expensive in terms of advertising cost, visual attractive, varying font size or shape, language colorful and lucid. Ma'am, what is this written?
I'll lucid. Yes, you have said it rightly. Lucid. I'll explain. Read further.
No, ma'am, next one.
Catchy
Lucid.
slogans.
Catchy, okay. Catchy slogan, punchline, witty expressions and pictures and sketches. Proportionate spacing. Essential details. Name of the company, institute, organizers, etc. Details regarding the product, even educational courses, etc. Special offer of discount, if any. Addresses of the company, institute, organizer, etc.
Yes. Thank you, Harshit. So now see the main characters and try to understand. Designed for commercial purpose. I already told you that they are there to increase the money, the business. More space, they take more space, are more expensive in terms of advertising costs. They are visually really attractive so that the customers are finding them, or the customers' attention is grabbed and they are able to buy, or they are able to pay attention to it and they are forced to buy that commodity. Varying font size or shape. So there is nothing fixed that font size has to be this only. It can be, if I talk about your MS Word terms, it can be 12, 14, the font can be Calibri, Times New Roman. It depends that you can explore your creativity in commercial advertisement. It has to be visually attractive, visually eye-catching. Language is colorful. Colorful in the sense, I'll tell you what is a colorful language. Lucid. Lucid means clear and easy to understand. Catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions. आप लोगों ने वो advertisement देखी? कच्चा पापड़, पक्का पापड़. वोडाफोन की
No, ma'am.
वोडाफोन की एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं देखी आप लोगों ने, जो रिसेंट एडवर्टाइजमेंट अभी तक चल रही है आजकल, हाउ द इंटरनेट इज टेकिंग द बिजनेस अहेड, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. There is an advertisement. There are various advertisements in which they are using one or okay. Amazon की तो देखी होगी. Amazon की जो recent advertisement है, Amazon Prime. देखी है? As
No, ma'am.
चलो मैं अभी देखती हूँ screen share करके, अगर मुझे मिल जाती है I'll show it to you. That whatever way, maybe by slogans, by poems, by nursery rhymes, means you can use catchy slogans, punchlines or any such thing. अच्छा, बायजूस की एड देखी है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बायजूस की एड का आजकल टैगलाइन क्या चल रही है? What catchy phrase they have used? Make learning fun. Turn your parent into a partner. Remember? Turn your parent into a partner. So you can change, you can use any catchy or punch line to make the thing workable. Yes, striking a chord with your audience, with your readers. And the spacing should be proportionate. Proportionate means ये नहीं है कि कहीं तो इतना space छोड़ा हुआ और कहीं बिल्कुल ही space नहीं. Spacing should be appropriate. Essential details. The name of the company, institute, organized means जिसने issue की है उनका नाम जरूर होना चाहिए. Details regarding the product or event. Educate मतलब जो भी उसकी main details है वो सारी main details उस advertisement में जरूर mention की जानी चाहिए. Special offers or discounts if any should be highlighted. Address of the company, institute or organizers should be given at the same time. Now, solved example. Mohit, bacha read. Mohit, are you there?
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am. I think you have muted yourself.
No, bacha, I have not muted myself. Am I audible to others?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
I'm not able to hear you.
Mohit, beta, leave and rejoin. Leave and rejoin, Mohit. Okay. Acha, he has already left. I think due to some error. Yes. Akshat. Akshat. Okay, I'll read. Messrs. Mohit is joining. Mohit had left. Now Mohit is joining. Yes. Mohit, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, I am able to hear you.
Okay. Now read the question. Question number 1. Mohit. Okay, I'll read. Mohit, I think there's some connection.
Yes, ma'am, I'm reading, ma'am.
Acha, okay, read.
Mrs. Bright Vision. Messrs. Bright Vision have produced a new television named Home Theater. Draft an advertisement for a local daily to promote the sale of the television. Offer a Kodak camera free along with the television to those who buy it before March 30. Watch and click offer free. A click and shoot camera when you buy. Home theater, 31 flat screen, hi-fi sound system, competitive price, buy hurry. This is limited offer up to 30th March. Contact your nearest dealer today. Bright Vision Televisions, the promise of the happy home.
ठीक है, अब देखो. Watch and click offer. Watch related to television, click related to camera. That's why I use watch and click offer. Free, a click and shoot camera. When you buy a home theater, then the qualities of the home theater, but hurry. Why? Because this free offer is a limited period offer. Contact your nearest dealer today. Bright Vision Televisions. The promise and the tagline related to the television brand. Right? Let's see one more. Draft a display advertisement to promote the sale of Ajanta steel tubes and pipes. These are those kind of advertisements that are generally not able to afford the visual advertisements in news, in television, or those radios and all. So they give these kind of advertisements in the newspaper, right? Ajanta, that name of the company. Stainless steel tubes and pipes. See, the font size is different. The most reliable name in SS tubes and pipes. Then the other points that we look for: ISI standards, rust-free, competitive rates, all-weather fit. Approved by national and international agencies. Caution: beware of spurious material. Spurious means the duplicate kind of material. For trade inquiries, contact Ajanta Tubes Limited, Hisar, India. Right? अभी देखो, National Rail Museum, they are organizing a Bal Divas, so for that sake they have given the advertisement. Yes, Mohit, continue reading.
Yes, ma'am. National Rail Museum and Railway Women Welfare Control central organizations are organization and exhibition of Nehru and Railways and an on-the-spot drawing and painting competition for Bal Divas. As the Indian Railways completes 150 years of the glorious service, draft a display advertisement for the publication in a newspaper. National Rail Museum and Railway Women Welfare Center organization, in connection with Bal Divas, celebrate on the spot drawing and painting competition on 150th glorious years of Indian Railways, 9th November 2021, 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the National Rail Museum. Free entry only to pre-registered participants and their escorts. Up to 10 participants per institution. Registrations open till 4:30 p.m. on 5/11/2021. Special events: an exhibition on Nehru and Railways, museum star attractions for heritage, romance, nostalgia, and
Edutainment.
edutainment, Fairy Queen, monorail, AC indoor gallery, joy train, lawns and archives, kayaking, souvenir shop,
Now,
and souvenir shop.
see, they have
National
written,
Rail Museum.
They have given everything. National Rail Museum, the symbol, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi, phone number, fax, email, website, and then 150 glorious years, the logo as well, Delhi's most popular museum. So the issuing authority's name has to be there. Now see, this is again a display advertisement for a tutorial. You are the director of Bright Tutorial and Academy, providing intensive as well as extensive postal coaching to students. Postal coaching means correspondence course, that the notes are provided through post to students appearing for IIT and JEE, CBSE, PMT. Write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. See, let your dream come true. Qualify for IIT, JEE and CBSE, PMT. Prepare yourself to crack the nerve cracking test. Put in extra preparation. Seek expert guidance. Rely on question bank, expert guidance, intensive and extensive study material, comprehensive contact program, periodical test, extensive coaching. Admission open. Then the dates, the duration, the fee, and where to write for free prospectus. The address is also given. Right? Now, this is a thing about, I think, a book fair. All India Publishing House in collaboration with international trade. अब आप लोग देख रहे होगे, मैंने अपना कोई भी बॉक्स दूसरे पेज पे नहीं कंटिन्यू किया है, या तो वो नए पेज से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, बट कोई भी बॉक्स 2 पेजेस में ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा. तो डोंट ट्राई टू ब्रेक योर बॉक्सेस इन 2 पेजेस. Make it on a single page. Yes? Chiransh, read. 5th question.
Question number 5. All Indian Publishing House in collaboration with International Trade Authority is organizing 14th International Book Fair at Pragati Maidan for a week beginning from 23rd July. The exhibition will be inaugurated by
Srimati Smriti Irani.
Srimati. Okay, ma'am. Write an advertisement for publication in national dailies. 14th International Book Fair 2014, date 23rd July to 30th July, time 9 a.m. to 8 p.m, venue Pragati Maidan. Srimati Smriti Irani, 23rd July, 9. Display profile, books for all age group, computer software and CD forms, teaching aid, audio visual aids. Special attractions, meet the author,
Communicative session.
communicative session. Get signed copies first 500 only, 15% discount on all purchases, no entry fee.
Organizers.
Organizers, International Trade Authority, sponsored by All Indian Publishing House.
अब देखो इन्होंने क्या किया, बुक्स फॉर प्लेजर दोनों तरफ लिखा हुआ, बुक्स फॉर प्लेजर, बुक्स फॉर लेजर. You can also use any quote to highlight the qualities of books. Books are one's best friend or something like that to start with your display advertisement, right? Yes. अब किसी को कोई डाउट है तो हैंड रेस करो. करो हैंड रेस अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो. है किसी को कोई डाउट? Otherwise, this topic is going to be winded up today. Means this topic is over. Next class में हम लोग अब कुछ literature का पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि हम दो तीन topics हम grammar और writing skills के ही कर रहे थे. So now we will do something related to literature, right? So any doubt to anyone you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then बच्चा I think for today we can wind up. Next class कौन सा chapter पढ़ना है मुझे ये बताओ. Okay, you can start leaving. Next class में देखते हैं. I think literature chapter को ही करेंगे. Maybe from your book Flamingo only, right? Deep water I think is the third chapter, so we'll start with that. All right. Harshit, Chiransh, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. On this note, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.